How to disable the save option on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, you will learn if it's possible or not to disable the save option on your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that your app is updated. Head over to Play Store and type in Snapchat. In case you see update sign here like mine, tap on update. Once you have updated your app, open it. And here, go onto the chat icon just beside the lenses. It will display you all the chats that you have. Go onto any chat that you would like to do so. Tap onto their profile and tap on three-dot icon on your top right. Then tap on chat and notification settings. Here you will see delete chats option. Tap onto it. You will be given two options. You can delete your chat after viewing or after 24 hours that you wrote it. If you don't want to save your chat, then you can also tap on after viewing. As you do so, all the chats that you guys exchange will delete after viewing and nobody can save your chats. And that is how it works. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.